A lip crayon for every party, this Buttersoft Bomb provides a sheer hint of color for your best nude lip ever. Plus, it's portable, perfect for touch-ups and never needs to be sharpened. Available in shades that complement all skin tones. Get you some. Get you some.
Escape. Find yourself. Journey to the glistening pink sand beaches of faraway islands with blissful notes of sweet anjou pear, exotic gardenia flower, and warm cashmere wood. New limited edition Faraway Escape Eau de Parfum. Get you some. You need this. You must have this. You want this. You need this. You must have this. You want this. You need this. You must have this. You want this. You need this. You must have this.
Enjoy luscious lip butter, high shine gloss, and sheer color all in one. The ultra creamy formula delivers intense moisture and shine for soft, kissable lips. Click Pen Applicator delivers the right amount of color. Drop your virtual try-on pics and show off your shine. Oh my God, look! You have to have this! Oh my God, look! You have to have this! Hello, beauty influencer! It's your new side hustle calling. This is your year to shine and grab your piece of the pie. Do it, girl! Do it! Watch out, world! Here you come!